So today is day 2 of solving literal equations, and we're still going to be solving for y. These are just going to be a little bit different, and then we're going to mix them all up. And yesterday, remember that we highlighted what we were trying to isolate, undid everything near the y using SADMAG, and then checked using Desmos. Today is going to be very similar. You can see 1, 2, 3 is here from yesterday, but we're going to start today with distributing. So let's try a couple and see how they're the same and how they're different. So we're still going to highlight, but today we're going to start with distributing. So let's distribute. Y is equal to negative 1 over 3 times x, and negative 1 over 3 times negative 6. Negative 1 over 3 times x is negative 1/3 x, and negative 1 over 3 times negative 6 is positive 2. So the first line and the last line should match in Desmos. And again, if this is something that if we struggle with it, this portion here, we can check this using Desmos. Negative 3, which is equal to positive 2. So let's check this. So here's the fraction we could have potentially had issues with. Negative 1 over 3 times negative 6 is indeed positive 2. I'm going to mix it up today and ask you guys, does the purple color cover the orange? So here's our first line, here's our final line, and indeed the purple covers the orange. So we've done this one correctly. So we've highlighted the y that we're trying to isolate. Let's distribute. Y plus 6 equals 4x plus 4. And now I just need to solve to get that highlighted y by itself. Subtract 6 from both sides. Y equals 4x minus 2. Top line should match bottom line. Let's give it a try. Our first line, our last line, does purple cover orange? Yes. We've highlighted, let's distribute. Y minus 7 equals negative 3x plus 3, because negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. And we're going to isolate that y by adding 7 to both sides. We're left with y is equal to negative 3x plus 10. Does the top line match the bottom line? Our top line, what we solved for, does purple cover orange? Yes. So we've highlighted, let's distribute. Y plus 1 equals negative 1 over 2 times x, negative 1 over 2 times negative 2. And again, if we struggle with this portion here, we can put this into Desmos. Negative 1 over 2 times negative 2 over 1 equals negative. Well, let's just do it this way, which is equal to positive 1. So y plus 1 equals negative 1 over 2x. Plus 1, subtract 1 from both sides, y is equal to negative 1 over 2x. Top line should match the bottom line. Let's check it out. So our top line and our bottom line, does the purple cover the orange? Yes. So we've highlighted the y, let's distribute. Y minus 5 equals negative 9 over 4x minus 9 over 4 times 4. And again, if this is a If this portion is something that we struggle with, use the calculator. Use the calculator. Y minus 5 equals negative 9 over 4x minus 9. What I do on the left, I do on the right. Ooh, this is tight. Y equals negative 9 over 4x minus 4. Does the top line match the bottom line? Let's try it. So we have our top line here, we have our bottom line. And does the bottom line cover the top line? Does the purple cover the orange? It does. So we've done this correctly. Now again, if this is something that we struggle with, negative 9 over 4 times 4, use the calculator, give it a try. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.